Yo, what's up? It's your boy Brandon J. I'm back again with another one. This is my DIY segment, which I love to do. I'm pretty talented when it comes to it. I got an old ceiling fan that doesn't play well with others. Makes a lot of noise. I'm in here working or trying to do a recording. My ceiling fan, it hums. It's old. It needs to be replaced. So we're gonna open up the new ceiling fan. Because this is the one we're putting up. Oh yeah. You're gonna have to do some minor assembly. Instruction pamphlet. My blades. Wow. They even give you light bulbs in this one. And they're Echo Smart. That's pretty cool. So here we have the ceiling fan. This is the top half of it. This is the top portion. And in this application, we're going to keep it simple. I'm going to put this with this. Yeah, heard. Gotta line that puppy up. It's gonna be just like that. We're gonna ground the box with the shaft. That's how that's gonna go. As you can see here, it has a nice little pull pin. So you can pull that out. No tools required for that. That's pretty neat. Pull that out. Like so. Send you a wet array of extra long wires through here. What we're doing now, we're just getting the fan set up. Getting it ready for the install. Loosen up the set screws, get those guys loosened. Now should be able to slide this in. Send our pin back through. This is a neat design. I haven't seen one like this in a while, although I haven't really been messing around with this kind of stuff in a while. I used to be a contractor. I used to do this all the time. Get those set screws tight. So that's how that goes together. So since we know that's how that goes, we'll loosen everything back up. You know, you want to test fit everything before you put everything together, and then you be like, oh wow, it doesn't go that way. Yeah. Gotta pull this out. Must put this through. Send your pin back through. Like so. Putting on this last blade. There you have it with the last blade. Now, take the old ceiling fan down and put this up. So for now, we're gonna move this out of the way because I have to stand on the desk to remove the old ceiling fan. thank you guys for watching the video. As you guys can see, we're all done here. We got it all wrapped up. Got the nice new ceiling fan installed, and I love it. It keeps my office nice and cool and quiet. You know, you probably can hear it a little bit, but for the most part, it's quiet. I like it. I can function, and I can get it done in the office. Thank you for tuning in and watching the install of the new fan in the YouTube studio.